Something missing in new cars? That clutch pedal's gone. Manuals are nearly extinct, replaced by automatics that are smarter, faster, and honestly, a bit wild. Meet the big three: CVT, semi-automatic, and the lightning-fast dual clutch. All send power to your wheels, each in a totally different way. Every system has its own flavor, strengths, and quirks. CVT, super smooth and efficient. Semi-auto, manual vibes, no legwork. DCT, blazing fast shifts, race ready. Which one's best for your commute, your canyon runs, or saving gas? It's a transmission showdown. Let's get technical. Buckle up. We're diving under the hood. We'll crack open each one, show how they work and why you'll love or hate them. We'll cover engineering, driving, and repair costs. By the end, you'll know exactly what happens when you hit drive. Let's go. But before we dive into the tech, let's rewind. Manuals once ruled the road. Every driver had to master the clutch and stick. Learning to drive meant learning to shift. It was a rite of passage. Now, most cars are automatic. Manuals are rare, almost a badge of honor for enthusiasts. Some say the stick shift is dead, but is it really gone or just evolving? A few brands still offer manuals for purists. And the spirit of shifting lives on in paddle shifters and semi-autos. The numbers don't lie, manuals are fading, but they're not forgotten. For some, nothing beats the connection of a stick shift. For others, it's all about convenience and speed. So, as we break down the modern options, remember, every transmission has a story and a fan base. Ready to see what's under the surface? Let's get started. Let's shift gears, pun intended, to semi-automatic transmissions. They blend manual gearboxes with computer-controlled clutches, so you get two pedals, paddle shifters, and no clutch pedal. Sensors and actuators do the clutch work for you, giving a connected feel with the convenience of an automatic. You control the shifts, but a computer makes them lightning fast and smooth. The downside? Complexity and cost. Repairs are pricey, and early systems could be jerky in traffic. Dual clutch transmissions take it further. Two clutches, even faster shifts, but even more complexity. In the end, it's all about what you value: connection, smoothness, or high-tech performance.